Welcome to Books in Sum, your go-to for bite-sized book summaries.
Charlie Munger by Tren Griffin. Charlie Munger is Warren Buffett's legendary business partner and investor. He also serves as vice president under Buffett at Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway has flourished under Munger and Buffett's leadership, and the company now has investments in a wide range of industries. Fast food chain Dairy Queen, clothing manufacturer Fruit of the Loom, and private jet company NetJets are all owned by Berkshire Hathaway, the world's fifth largest public company. Berkshire Hathaway's common shares are denoted by the ticker symbols BRKA and BRKB on the New York Stock Exchange. One class A share of Berkshire Hathaway was the most expensive stock ever traded on the NYSE, fetching over $220,000 in December 2014. Berkshire Hathaway brought in $200 billion in 2015 revenue. Munger's success as an investor can be attributed to his insatiable thirst for knowledge. The text's most crucial points are the necessity of a constant desire to learn for successful investing, and the widespread adoption of Benjamin Graham's value investing approach. The core principle of this system is minimalism, with the end goal being to only take on tasks that are within one's skill set. Berkshire Hathaway ranks investment prospects as in, out, or too tough. There are promising investment opportunities in the in basket, boring ones in the out basket, and enticing ones that are currently beyond Berkshire's capabilities in the too tough basket. Seth Klarman compares investing to waiting at a bus stop without knowing when a bus will arrive. In order to be a successful investor, one must maintain a level head and keep an eye on long-term opportunities. This calls for a pragmatic approach, patience, and courage. Munger is convinced that anyone can successfully implement Graham's value investing principles because they are so straightforward. By adhering to these 4 guidelines, he is able to consistently outperform the market and achieve his goals. He is also able to do so with a reasonable amount of patience and conviction, going against the grain when necessary. Any successful investor must adhere to these tenets, as they are crucial for avoiding foolish missteps and maintaining forward momentum. Munger thinks that the qualities of patience and bravery are necessary for any successful investor. The best times to invest are during periods of market uncertainty, but it is impossible to know when that will occur. Discipline and patience are essential traits for a Graham value investor. They need to be unafraid of going solo when necessary. Finally, they need to incorporate knowledge from various fields into their decision-making process. According to Munger, a savvy investor can spot similarity and patterns where other, less astute investors can't by examining behavior through these different lenses. Although Charlie Munger has achieved great success in the investment world, it is not because he has discovered some secret investing formula. His investment success can be attributed to his adherence to his guidelines of lifelong learning, simplicity, patience, courage, and worldly wisdom. Acquiring knowledge in a variety of areas is part of this, but it goes beyond simple fact gathering. Instead, think about the fundamental concepts that underlie each academic field. How do they organize their information? What purpose do they put it to? You can use these inquiries to glean insight from any field of social or natural science. Having a global perspective can give a business an edge in the marketplace. For instance, the price of a product has recently increased despite rising demand. Charlie Munger is a very wealthy investor, but he didn't get there by discovering some unfathomable investing secret. You, too, can increase your investment success by adhering to his guidelines of lifelong learning, simplicity, patience, courage, and worldly wisdom.
We hope you found this summary helpful in your listening journey. If you're interested in diving deeper into the topic or getting your hands on the whole book, be sure to check the description below where we've included links to the book and other related products that may be useful to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest book summaries. And feel free to leave a comment with any suggestions or requests for books you'd like us to cover. Thanks again for tuning in and happy listening.